over the border. Since the Institute's foundation in 1953, we at NIKKISO have solved various social challenges and created many products which did not originally exist in Japan. NIKKISO currently operates in 3 business units: industrial, medical, and aerospace. As a result of expanding our business to overseas markets, NIKKISO of Japan has transformed into the NIKKISO of the world. At this very moment, somewhere in the world, we are taking on the challenge of new possibilities. NIKKISO manufactures pumps and systems with high market shares in the world, which are utilized for oil and gas wells, LNG transportation, power plants, and petrochemical plants.
1953年に今の前身の特殊ポンプ工業という会社が設立されまして、翌年発電所向けポンプの輸入販売、その後国産化ということを実行していったと。NIKKISOの一番最初の始まりです。
Due to post-war reconstruction, electricity consumption in Japan increased rapidly. NIKKISO pumps contributed to the stable operation of power plants. In 1963, safe-canned motor pumps that handled liquids without leaks were successfully produced in Japan. Canned motor pumps are continuously contributing to the safe operation of the petrochemical industry.
日本で初の製品というのを数々作り出して、世に広めてきたと。近年では M&A を活用して、世界中に製造拠点、販売網と活動を広げていっている。
In the energy sector, NIKKISO currently provides specialized pumps and systems. These play an important role in each process from upstream to downstream. Reciprocating pumps and systems are used at oil and gas wells. Cryogenic pumps are used at LNG receiving terminals. Canned motor pumps and vaporizers are used in power plants and petrochemical plants. Pumps are used in gas stations and LNG-powered ships. Due to increased environmental awareness, the world's energy demand is shifting towards natural gas, which generates less CO2 emissions than coal and oil when combusting. Natural gas is transported as liquefied natural gas at -162 degrees Celsius. A cryogenic pump is used to transport LNG. Although the cryogenic pump is massive, high-quality technology comparable to precision machinery is required to operate metals with different heat shrinkage rates in cryogenic liquids. At NIKKISO, we have testing facilities for cryogenic pumps, and through repeated testing, we deliver safe and stable products.
You take, for instance, LNG, you take it in a gaseous form, you liquefy it, you transport it to a remote location where you regasify or you use it for fuel. And this whole chain is called virtual pipeline. If you look into virtual pipeline, the world is hungry for energy. There are many countries that have set policies going forward to provide their society and their people with clean energy products. And that is something that we can offer. Another area is also hydrogen. Hydrogen, it is going to become a very big energy industry. Our products will help to make hydrogen liquid, to make it to transport from one place to another, and also make it available for a bigger group of people.
Aside from pumps and systems, NIKKISO also produces manufacturing equipment for electronic devices.
一番の主力製品、温水ラミネーターという製品がございまして、積層セラミックコンデンサーの生産装置になります。世界の生産の標準機として使っていただいています。
Electronic devices, such as smartphones and computers, are essential within modern society. The warm isostatic laminator is indispensable to its manufacturing process. In 1985, NIKKISO began manufacturing and selling warm isostatic laminators. This revolutionary product can apply uniform pressure and temperature using hot water, unlike mechanical presses that pressurize in the conventional uniaxial way. The practical use of 5G will soon become a reality. With improved high-speed data, communication will bring big changes to many industries.
これから我々の生活が便利になるには電子部品がどんどん改良されていかなければいけないと我々の技術を使って貢献をしていきたいというふうに考えております。
NIKKISO produces manufacturing equipment required for the electronic component production used for 5G.
この積層装置は世界初となる技術を使っておりまして、基板同士を接着剤を使わず電気の力でくっつける技術を採用しております。お客様をこのデモルームにお呼びして、お客様ができなかったことをこの場でできるようにするっていうことが我々にとっては一番大事ですし、我々は信頼を勝ち取れる。
お客様の課題に対して一緒に解決していくというのが我々の使命というふうに考えております。
Since developing Japan's first domestic production of dialysis machines used to treat chronic renal failure, NIKKISO has been a leader in dialysis medical therapy in Japan. The dialysis machine has spread overseas to regions such as Europe and China.
ちょうど1950年代に工業用特殊ポンプを製造していたNIKKISOですけれど、人工心臓の研究をされていた東京大学医学部の渥美和彦先生がですね、人工心臓の製作をしてほしいと、心臓って特殊ポンプだからNIKKISOにという強い要望をいただいてですね、これがきっかけになりました。
In July 1960, the first artificial heart prototype was completed. Later, NIKKISO decided to launch a medical division. In the mid-1960s, NIKKISO imported and distributed dialysis machines manufactured by Milton Roy Company. However, since support for repairing failures took time, NIKKISO decided to produce machines in Japan, putting the patient's life first. In 1969, NIKKISO developed Japan's first dialysis machine.
その後、日本でも透析医療が拡大していく中でですね、一貫して、透析医療の質というのを求められる、時代に、なってきて、より安全でより省力化した透析医療が求められると、こういうニーズの変化が起こってまいりました。
Based on the needs of the era, NIKKISO has developed many innovative products and services. In particular, the function to assist pre-treatment procedures, DFAS, was highly regarded in Japan because it saves on labor and leads to reduction in human error. DBB EXA, the product equipped with this feature for the first time overseas, is highly regarded in the European market. As a result, NIKKISO is beginning to be recognized as an innovative company in the overseas market.
ヨーロッパでは販売が年々ですね、記録を更新して増えていっている。アジア圏、さらには中国の医療機器の大手のウェイガオグループとですね、連携をしてですね、台数が増えてきているという、状況にあります。
The new hemodialysis machine, SI series, enhances dialysis fluid purification and safety, as well as saving on labor and cost.
患者さんの高齢化であるとか、あと医療費の抑制というところが課題になっておりまして、血液回路であるとか機械室の装置であるとか、そういったところと連携をしていて、それらの課題を解決していくというところが特徴になっております。絶対ですね、品質を一番に考えておりますので、お客様に喜んでいただける品質の提供というところも十分に配慮してやりました。実際製品をリリースした後には、さすがNIKKISOというようなお声もいただいているというふうに伺っておりますので、大変だったんですけども、非常に良い開発ができたなというふうに思っております。
NIKKISO has also expanded into fields other than dialysis. Our business continues to expand with products such as the only artificial pancreas in the world's first microwave surgical instrument, and more.
アクロサージはですね、試作を何度も繰り返しして、ようやく実現できたという製品です。医療者だけではなくてですね、手術を受ける患者さんにとっても優しい、手術になるだろうというふうに、思っております。
The medical equipment business does not end with the sale. In order for customers to continue therapy without worries, NIKKISO provides continued support. NIKKISO tries to quickly satisfy customer needs by integrating a total value chain from design and development to manufacturing, sales, and services. In addition, we provide training for medical professionals who handle the equipment on site. This allows us to collaborate with the medical community.
血液透析というのはですね、週に3回、1回あたり4時間から5時間、透析医療施設を訪問して治療を受けると、患者さんにとってですね、生活の質が高い治療とは考えておりません。治療環境をですね、もう少し選ばないような透析装置の開発をですね、NIKKISOがイノベーションを起こしていくという気で今後進めていこうというふうに思っています。
NIKKISO is producing various aircraft components made from CFRP composites, including Cascade, which has a global market share of over 90%.
もともとNIKKISOとしまして炭素繊維という軽くて強い材料の開発からスタートしました。その後ですね、カスケードという航空機部品の開発に成功しまして、航空機産業に本格的に参入するようになりました。補助ブレーキの役割を果たしておりまして、逆噴射の空気の流れを整える役目をカスケードは担っております。航空機の品質を満たす製品をですね、安定して作り続ける、その製法を作り上げるのに長い時間を費やしました。
Through trial and error, NIKKISO successfully developed the world's first CFRP cascade. Since then, NIKKISO's cascade has been adopted by almost all commercial aircraft. In recent years, we have begun working on various other aircraft parts, such as engine nacelle parts and main wing parts.
航空機部品メーカーとして広く航空業界の中で認知されてきていると思います。
お客様からの評価は品質が非常に安定している、それから納期をきちっと守る、こういうところが評価されていると思います。最近はそういう実績を評価されて、新しい機体の開発段階から意見を求められたりとか、開発に携わってほしいというような依頼を受けるようになっております。
NIKKISO has built new factories in Miyazaki and Vietnam. The Miyazaki factory is positioned as a production technology development center, and the Vietnam factory is positioned as an expansion base for mass production. NIKKISO will respond to future demand with both factories.
宮崎NIKKISO、カスケードを中心に多くの航空機部品を今後作っていきます。生産技術の拠点としても役割を果たすためにですね、ベトナムの工場の工程改善も牽引していく立場になりたいというふうに思っております。
The Vietnam factory is operated under close communication with Japan, and a training program that meets the aerospace standard in order to match the same level of high-quality products and delivery performance as in Japan. Our performance and strategy has been recognized, and we have received numerous awards, including Supplier of the Year.
両三面、これからますます拡大していく航空機産業の全体を支えるニーズにキャパシティでお客様に貢献していくということ、それからより軽量化、より遠くへ飛ぶ、よりたくさんの人を乗せるというニーズに対しては技術開発、新しいことへの挑戦、こういうことをお客様と一緒になってやることで貢献していくというようなことを念頭に置いております。
By challenging the unchallenged, NIKKISO has developed new markets and many of Japan's first and the world's first products. As the most advanced project, we are developing deep UV LEDs. Deep UV has the efficacy to detoxify bacteria in the water, air, and UV curing. Deep UV LEDs are expected to be a new era technology. Professor Amano, who received the Nobel Prize in Physics for blue LEDs, was researching deep UV LEDs with NIKKISO when he received the Nobel Prize. After much trial and error, in 2015, NIKKISO was finally able to successfully commercialize the world's first deep UV LEDs. NIKKISO has also succeeded in commercializing large-capacity water treatment equipment using deep UV LEDs as a new environmentally friendly light source which does not use mercury. The usage of deep UV LEDs does not stop there. We have already developed air purifiers, an ozonated water hand washer, and water purifiers. Deep UV LEDs are expected to be a new technology that will help solve social issues within a wide range of industrial fields, such as environmental hygiene and medical care industries. Over the border. NIKKISO actively takes on challenges and demonstrates leadership in society. In the future, we will continue contributing to society with the power of technology as the NIKKISO of the world.